Good morning, children. As we know that there are various necessary elements which are important for our life, like sunlight, soil, water, and air. And we cannot live without them. In this video, we will focus on air and its properties. First of all, we will talk about that what is air. Air is all around us, but we cannot see it, we can only feel it. Now, what is air exactly? Means what is the definition of air? Air is a mixture of different gases like nitrogen 78%, oxygen 21%, and carbon dioxide and other gases 1%. Next is that why is air important to us? Air is important for all the living organisms. Plants need air to make their food. Plants intake carbon dioxide and breathe out oxygen. Similarly, humans and animals also need air to breathe. Humans and animals inhale oxygen and exhale carbon dioxide. Now, we will discuss the properties of air by showing different experiments. The first property of air is air does not have a definite shape. It takes the shape of the container in which it is present. Let us show it with a small experiment. First of all, for this experiment you need a balloon. Now we have to blow this balloon. As I have already done it, now you can see this, that air is filled in this balloon and here air has taken the shape of this balloon, right? So from this activity, we can conclude that air does not have a definite shape. It takes the shape of the container in which it is present. Second activity is air occupies space. So let us perform this also with an experiment. Now take a water in a container and a glass. So hold the glass upside down in the water like this. Observe what happens. The water does not enter in the glass even on pressing because the glass is not empty. Air is present inside the glass. Now tilt the glass slightly. What you will observe? You will observe air bubbles. Air bubbles escape out of the glass and the water enters in the glass. And the glass will be completely filled with the water because there is no air now. So this activity shows that air occupies space. Now third activity is air has weight. For this you need a stick, two inflated balloons and a thread to balance the balloons. Now tie the inflated balloons at each of the end of the stick and balance both of the balloon on the stick. Now prick one of the balloon. Let's prick the blue one. We will observe that inflated balloon goes down and they are not balanced anymore. Balloon with the air is heavier than the deflated balloon. This activity shows that air has weight. Hope you all enjoyed it and try to do these experiments at your home. Thank you.